new direction, yeah, yeah.
Let's do it. Here is an example. First, change the background color. We will use orange as our main color. Second, let's add a text. You can change the text size and font style too. Third, change the text color to orange but use a different hue. Fourth, add an element. You can adjust the size by expanding the 4 white corner points of the image. Fifth, change the color of the element. Use the same color as the text. Center both the text and image by dragging both items toward the center. Lines will be visible as your guide. Our work is done. Now you try.